Good. So that's the next step. Scan the website by pressing Scan QR on your Zero to check if someone tampered with your Zero. Okay. Good. Loading cameras. We also got a camera over there. Okay, nice. I don't know where. Next to the, yeah. Okay, I just reloaded the code. I typed it in again, and now it's working. Good. Continue registration. Good. Okay, my PIN code. This I will also not show you. Good. Code done. How would you like to create a new wallet? And then let's go. Awesome. Good. We created. Add your fingerprint. Okay. Let's see how the registration. Please position your finger on the sensor. Lift your finger. Okay. Let's see how long this takes. I really like the design. This gray and the thing is heavy, man. So we got here the charging port. Okay, that's the button. Register your fingerprint. Okay, it failed. Second try. Okay, so we got the button to turn on. This USB-C, the camera, the fingerprint. Please position your finger. Okay. Maybe we should clean the thing first. Let's see. Yes. No, it's still dirty. Perfect. Hopefully it works on the third time. Bad fingerprint quality. Okay. Press hard and hold. Okay, maybe I was too soft. Like you should be with the girls. No, just fun. Don't be soft. Okay. Wish me good luck. No. Okay, we redo it. 5th time. I wanted fingerprint. Now a bit more the tip of the finger. Let's see. Come on. Be nice to me. Nope. Okay, we do it again. And not the tip. Maybe I'm too stupid. Or my fingers are too dirty. Or the fingerprint is too dirty. Okay. We encounter already a first problem. Me. Yes. I still will go with the tip. This is normally the part I like. Good. I would just keep it there. Maybe that's the secret. It will not be the secret because it's written you can lift it off. Yeah, maybe it was the secret. Next. Use to unlock your device and sign transactions. I like this part already. Oh! Sup. Okay, so you have to freeze. I just show you that. It's randomly creating your seed phrase. And then when you press freeze, you get your wallet key. Unfreeze. And then you toggle and search. This I will do now without showing you my screen. So let's see. Yes, select one more groups, tap shuffle. That only you know. Okay. Shuffle. Nice. Okay. And in the second step, where's the recording? Okay, good. So second step, you get the additional shuffling part. So yeah. No worries, I got now back one step. I create a new key and then I will reshuffle. So freeze, next, shuffle. So I started again, like after the fingerprint stuff, you create a key, freeze, next, then you chose the stuff you want, I don't know, to shuffle. Press shuffle and then you can like create different new seed phrases. Okay. Freeze, next, shuffle. What's up? What's up? Good, perfect. This is the unique key to start the backup process. I think I have to engrave this key now. Okay, since I created now my key with the engrave, the next step is now to like bump the key into these plates. You have to like place them properly. From where do you know if you're like this way right or that way right? Okay, I guess so. Since I have no clue how you place it, if you place it like this or vice versa. Just take the engrave logo as start and try to be in line, so like that you can read from top to bottom and here the same. Maybe that's the way. And now I take you with me. So let me just put my wallet key here. Then I will put this part down, that I don't break something here from the hotel. So, like that. We place it here. We recheck again if this is like top bottom. Cool thing is, note this key, this code down from your plate. And no, okay, but the cool thing is you have like on the lower right corner of your plate, you have your unique code. In case you lose the upper one, but you still have the lower one, they have this unique code and they will send you a new upper plate that you can read your lower plate with it. And this is really cool. So you see recovery at engrave.io with this 8-code ultimate recovery code, which you should keep somewhere. Then you have luck that they can recover the upper plate, that you can read the second plate, because these numbers and letters are like randomly placed. But I don't know what's that. Hide the plates. Place your upper on the lower one, using the inserts to stabilize them. Use the punch pen to press firmly into the hole and correspond to the location of the character. Okay, this we're gonna do. So, you have here 8 places with 8 columns each. This is for your key. The key has like 8 letters or numbers for 8 different words. Let's call it like that. So let's see, let's try. Place it properly, press it down. It's at least what I do. And then we go for it. Is this the hole? I don't know. I'll do it properly. How to use this shit? How to use this thing? Or maybe it's like... Let's see if we see something. Yes, we do. You see this small dot? I will try to make it a bit harder. Maybe it's just, I don't know, stupid. Zack. Oh, I think that was the point. Yes, that's better. I think, is this table like holding? Good. Yes, and now I will do all the others.
And that's how the engraving looks like.
So, and the next step, after taking this code, put it in a recovery paper that came with the box. That's also an option. Ah! This one. Engrave perfect key. Good. And after that, wait. Okay, then it tells you like which number you have to like. I can show you one, never mind. They tell you like punch the first character of the corresponding hole in the first column and the second character in the second column and so on. Tap, tap, tap. Let you see how it looks like. I've made a backup. Yes, I did. Great. Okay, and now let's see the dashboard. What are the coin that you want to display in your wallet? All of them. Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethercoin. Ah, okay. Then you can search. Let's go with the basic one for now. So as a final step, let's download the sync on your NGRAVE Liquid app. Good. I go again to another room. Did it. Yes, I know, I have such a nice hotel room. Wait, let me do it like. Again, on POV. So, I love this function the new phones have, like, with the basic camera stuff. Yes, NGRAVE, get the app. I like the logo. Apple. Not Apple. I hate Apple. That's what I wanted to say. So it's installing. And when you press here on the next page, like we were here before, to scan, like to get to the download of the app. Next step is to scan the code below to sync your portfolio. It's nice, and then you get one random code. Okay, the app is finished. You got your English, let's get started. Create your passcode. Yeah. Biometric, yes, use my eye. Sync. Okay. Now we have to scan this code. It scanned the code. Please don't show something inappropriate which the people should not see. Okay, and then it's my account. That's the coins we have chosen before, my portfolios, my NFTs. And now I think I can just receive and send stuff from here. Press here next. Congratulations, you created your new... No. Okay. Ah, and when I receive it there, it's here. Okay, nice. Perfect. Now we can turn it off again. And that's it. This was the configuration of the NGRAVE.